are we, Corvin?
Yeah, that's me.
At the stream. Wow, look at all the water coming down.
Yes.
Wow.
My boat in there.
Yeah. Are we playing in the water with your boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're watching it go. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, you want to hold the camera? Daddy, go get it?
Yes.
You watch Daddy. It's really deep and all wet. Wow! You're covering up the camera, buddy. Whoa! How about we, you want to go up there and try it again? Maybe watch it come down the waterfall? Yeah. Last time we were down here, none of this was in water at all. Right?
What?
Yeah. Whoa, and even that's too deep for Corvin, isn't it? Wow. Okay, let's see what happens. What happens to our boat? There it goes. Oh, is it going to get stuck? Oh. Oh, it's kind of stuck. Oh no, it fell over. Oh, it got stuck. Corvin, it got stuck, didn't it?
Whoa, this was a lot of fun, guys. But I think we're getting really wet. We might need to go inside. Whoa, I'm having so much fun, though. Hey, Corvin! Love you, buddy. Wow, this is so cool. What? You want me to go back in the water? Oh, that's right. Boats do float in water. You're right. I should go in. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Oh no, I flipped over. Daddy, put me right side up. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Whoa! Oh, I flipped over. Oh no! Woo! Oh, thank you for catching me, Daddy. I appreciate it. You're welcome, buddy. Okay, here we go. We'll get back up to Corvin. I think we need to take a break.
Pretty tired.
Whoa. Okay. Let's see. I think we flipped the camera around the wrong way. Oh. Oh, you threw me in the water. No!
All right, what do you think about what we've done?
We blew the water. We blew my boat in the water and it was floating away.
Yeah, it was floating away, right?
Yeah. We had lots of fun. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Wow.
That was the star of our show, Mr. Boat, right?
Oh, no. He went back in the water.
Oh, no, Corvin. I don't know if Daddy can do this much longer. Okay, well, there he goes. We better go get him. Okay, Daddy's gonna get him. You hold the camera.
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna go down the stream and see what all we find down here. Whoa, going down. Whoa, look at all this rushing water. Whoa,
It's so deep.
whoa.
And that's
Yeah, well, it's getting all over us. Woo. We're soaked. Okay. Whoa. Oh, there's a tree in the way. We better duck.
Oh, go down low.
Oh, we made it. Woo.
And there's
Down here. Yeah, what? Whoa, what's this all up here?
Here, big dam.
It's a what?
A big dam.
Whoa, a big dam. Whoa. Oh, there's not a tree here. Whoop.
Okay, shallow enough we can stand. Whoop. What? What's the matter, Goober?
My hair.
No, you can stand there. See, your boots cover it up. It's okay, buddy. Here, go on the other side of the tree. Whoa. And then we'll be okay. Whoa.
Oh. Oh. Somebody cranky. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, look at all this.
Damn.
Yeah. Look, this is really deep. Whoa. Whoa, everybody, this is a really deep spot. Whoa, look, there's water even coming down from there. Wow, look at all this water. Whoa. That's crazy.
Whoa, a big rock. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. 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 Let's see if we can change it. Put it around, there we go. Whoa. Whoa, there's dirt all over your hands. Whoa. Yeah, that's what happens when it gets really wet outside. We try and pick stuff up. It's dirty. But that's okay. Whoa, look at all that water. Whoa. Down at the creek. Oh, wash your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the water. Okay.
Yes. I didn't want to be in the water.
Whoa. Big rock. Whoa. Wow. Those are good throws, Corvin. Whoa, where'd it go? I don't even see it. Where'd it go, Corvin? Whoa.
That was teeny
Oh,
tiny.
little rocks. Oh, okay, little rocks. There's your boat. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Whoa. Whoops, that one went in the bushes. Whoa. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Whoa, yeah. Okay, guys. So, even when it's raining outside, we can still find cool stuff to do. As long as you have the right equipment, like we got our boots on, yep, and our hoodies. Yeah, and it's not too cold, so it's okay. Yeah, you can go outside and have an adventure, find something to do. Yeah.
But how are we on the other side?
I don't think we can do that. That's too deep. We don't have swimming trunks on, so we can't do that. Nope. Wow. Yikes. That was really loud, Corvin. Okay, well, we'll see you guys next time. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so we got so wet and craziness and playing in the water. Your daddy's got water all in his boots. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Ew, wow. Wow. Daddy's soaked. Look at all that water.
Daddy, get that water
Whoa, I
out.
need that one too. Whoa. Wow.
Wow.
Look how much water's in there. Whoa. How much? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That's a lot of water. Whoa. Whoa. Crazy. We're so soaking wet. Okay, let's go inside, Corvin.
What the?
Ooh. We got so wet and craziness and playing in the water. Your daddy's got water all in his boots. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Ew, wow. Wow. Daddy's soaked. Look at all that water.
Daddy, get that water
Whoa, I
out.
need that one too. Whoa. Wow.
Wow.
Look how much water's in there. Whoa. How much? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That's a lot of water. Whoa. Whoa. Crazy. We're so soaking wet. Okay, let's go inside, Corvin.
What the?
Ooh.